In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create print format in ERPNext. We'll walk through a simple 3-step process so you can design and save your own print format that you can use for documents like sales invoices, quotations, or other forms in your ERPNext system. First, make sure you're logged into your ERPNext account and you're on the home screen. At the top of the page, you'll see the global search bar. Click inside that search bar and start typing print format. As you type, ERPNext will suggest different options that match your search. Look for the option simply called Print Format and select it. This will open the print format list, which shows any print formats already created in your system. Once you're on the print format list page, you're ready to create a new one. On the top right-hand side of the screen, you'll see a button labeled New. Click on New Print Format. This takes you to a fresh print format form where you can define all the details of your new layout. Think of this page as your setup area for how your document will look when it's printed or downloaded as a PDF. Now, let's fill in the details. Start by entering a clear and descriptive name for your print format. Choose something that will make sense to you and your team later, like sales invoice, simple layout, or quotation branded. Next, select the appropriate document type or doc type that this print format will apply to. For example, if you are designing a format for invoices, choose Sales Invoice from the drop-down. Depending on your ERPNext version and permissions, you may see options such as choosing whether this is the default format for that document type, the print format type, or whether it is custom. Take a moment to review these options. If you want this new layout to be used every time you print that document, mark it as default. Otherwise, you'll be able to select it manually when printing. You may also see an editor area where the structure of the print format is defined. If you're comfortable, you can adjust the layout using the provided fields or HTML editor, following your company's design preferences. If you're just getting started, you can leave the default structure as is and focus on naming and assigning it correctly. Once you've entered all the necessary details and you're satisfied with your setup, go to the top right corner and click Save. After saving, your new print format is ready to use and will appear as an option whenever you print the associated document type in ERPNext.